log t derivative 1 by t minus 1 by t derivative 1 by t square, 2 pairs. What will I get? Log t derivative 1 by t minus 1 by t derivative plus 1 by t square. What does it gives you? E power t log t, first pair. बचे लोग second pair. बचे लोग second pair. E power t into minus 1 by t. E power t common. E power t माने x. T माने log x. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
A very famous multiple answer question, useful for advanced exam. More than one answer correct. बच्चे लोग waiting. What is it doing?
Differentiate both sides.
Differentiating RHS will be a laborious task, man.
Easy है sir. Trigonometry के है ना.
You can apply you have to apply UV rule, man. So sin theta is equal to t. Cos theta d theta is equal to dt. Correct? How do you write sin 3 theta? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. E power sin theta cos theta d theta. Am I correct? Make the substitution. Integral 3t minus 4t cube into e power sin theta is t cos theta d theta dt, correct? Which is nothing but 3 times integral t e power d dt minus 4 times t cube e power d dt. Am I correct? Minus plus 3 into integration man e power d outside minus 4 into e power d outside plus 60. Take a e power d common minus 4t cube, correct? Plus 12t square, correct? Minus 24t minus plus 3t minus 24 plus 3. How much, man? Minus 24 e power d plus 3 t coefficient minus 24 plus 3 plus 24 minus 3. Correct me if I am wrong. Waiting. Correct me if I am wrong. Waiting. बोलो मैम. चलो. correct. चलो काम करें. Option. E power sin theta into this is minus 4 t cube minus 4 sin cube theta plus 12 sin square theta. बोलो. T cube t square t minus 21 sin theta plus 21 plus lambda. चलो काम करें. लेकिन वो cos square theta बोल रहा है. I think it should be b cos square theta one. E power sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta plus 12 into sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. E power sin theta into minus 4 sin cube theta minus 12 cos square theta minus 21 sin theta 21 plus 12. बच्चों लोग ए करेक्ट बी करेक्ट ये सी भी करेक्ट है जी. 20 आ रहा है इधर 21 है. क्या बात है? एनी मिस्टेक एनीवेयर? minus 24 plus 3. sin 3 थीटा फॉर्मूला करेक्ट लिखा हूं मैं. करेक्ट लिखा है. I'm getting A B man. D also correct. There is no cos theta term. So D is 0. A B correct. Answer is A, B, C, D if I remember. Any mistake anywhere? Anybody? Can you identify a mistake? बच्चे लोग बोलो. बच्चे लोग आंसर मैम. am I correct? Respond मैम.
Yes, sir.
Correct है आंसर. मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ. I should do reduction formula today मैम. और स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है करके पोस्टपोन कर रहा हूँ उसको. ट्वेंटी 19 means बच्चे लोग 2019 means hint. How do you write x square minus 2x plus 10? X minus 1 whole square plus 3 square. Here, put x minus 1 equal to 3 tan theta. Come on, start. 2019 JEE mains question. तो चलो कुछ हला कुछ आगे बढ़े।
कैलकुलेशन लंबी है सर,
और एनआईटी
लास्ट
में
लास्ट में।
नहीं नहीं हमजा, एनआईटी का सीट फुकट में देंगे उन्हें, फ्री फ्री बोल के। ठीक है, व्हाट इज योर डीएक्स, व्हाट इज योर डीएक्स, 3 secant square theta d theta. What is x minus 1? 3 tan theta whole square. 3 square tan square theta plus 3 square whole square. बच्चे लोग काम करें, बोलो मैम। 3 secant square theta, 3 square कॉमन, पावर में 3 है, 1 plus tan square theta whole square, 3 by 3 power 4, 3 cube, एक secant square theta कट जाता, 1 secant square theta will remain, take it to the numerator. बच्चे लोग काम करें, बच्चे लोग टेल मी मैंने मगर what is cos square theta? 1 by 54, 1 का इंटीग्रेशन थीटा, cos theta इंटीग्रेशन, what is sin to theta? What is sin to theta? 2 tan theta by, काम करें बचेगा, what is x minus 1 by 3 and theta. Can you see the answer? What is your a, what is your theta, what is your tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta? X minus 1 by 3 by x minus 1 by whole square by 9 plus 1. सिंप्लीफाई करो इसको, तो चलो go to legged 1 by 54 x minus 1 by 3 LCM 9, 3 goes 3 times, 3 will go to the numerator, denominator 9 आ जाएगा, on simplification you get the same. What is your a, what is your f of x? 2019 mains question. अच्छा लोग डन, रेस्पॉन्ड मैन।
Done, sir.
नारायणा में सिलेबस खत्म हो गया. Second year syllabus completed all topics. They have started revision. Every Saturday, you have 3-hour mains exam. The entire syllabus is divided into 12 parts. On every Saturday, you have a 3-hour exam, mains. Sunday morning, 1 3-hour exam, advance. Same Sunday evening, another 3-hour exam, mains. Syllabus for the first week maths is trigonometry up to transformations. Trigonometry up to transformations. Trigonometric equations. This is the syllabus. I have those question papers online. I have a soft copy. Shall I send those question papers in the group?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये SR नहीं चलता मेरे को. अब मैं भेजा वो ग्रुप में पढ़ा हुआ है, तुम वर्कआउट नहीं करे नहीं चलता.
वर्कआउट करते हैं सर अपन.
Will work out.
Questions will be high class quality. मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Questions will be high class quality. Absolute top class questions रहते हैं. I can send question paper. I can send key. I can send solutions. लेकिन हर प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्यूशन नहीं देते वो लोग. बीच में सॉल्यूशन उड़ा देते. कौन से प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्यूशन उड़ाते हैं? अच्छे प्रॉब्लम्स को ही सॉल्यूशन उड़ाते हैं. अच्छे प्रॉब्लम स्टैंड्स फॉर टफ वंस. No, I want you to. You need not write those. You need not write those papers as exam papers. You can just solve them as assignments. But the problem is, you have IP exams. You have to prepare for that exam also. These papers also. Will you be able to do it? Should I send? You please discuss among yourself and tell me tomorrow. Okay? If I want, I can send them in the group. Or for those who are interested, I can send one-on-one. Anything I can do. But tell me, those who ask for it, please, you should honestly work out and show me. Whatever working you have done, you should post that working to me one-on-one on WhatsApp. Those who are interested, please ping me one-on-one first. If majority say yes, I'll put them in the group. But there is no point, I just put them in the group, you just have a look and throw them away. ऐसा नहीं चलता. If you are interested, genuinely, I'll post them. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, absolutely top class problems. Solutions देख के practice करो तो भी more than enough. You will be on the way to mains and advance. पक्का है मेरी बात. Even if you just look at solutions and work out, say for example, एक paper है, 30 questions है, mains का paper. Glance through the question paper. Glance through solutions. Glance through question paper. Glance through solutions. उसके बाद एक दिन छोड़ दो. Next day, sit and solve the question paper. First one करे, second one करे, third one नहीं आया, छोड़ दो. Fourth one करे, fifth one करे, 6, 7, 8 नहीं आया, छोड़ दो. 10, 11, 12, 13, 20 तक करे, 25, 28, 29 छूट गए, 30 करे, चलो एक 10 करे, 10 छूट गए. फिर go back, solutions, have a look at them. But you should honestly and sincerely do them. Every week you will have 3 papers. 3 papers माने advance के 20, mains के 30, mains के 30, 60 plus 20, 80 questions per week. 80 quality questions up to trigonometric equations. Second week topic. कल हो गया एग्जाम उनका, संडे तक खत्म. मंडे से आज से Students are asked to prepare which topics? Trigonometric equations, inverse trigonometric, inverse trigonometric functions, properties of triangles. Coming Sunday syllabus. उसके बाद का Sunday. Functions, limits, continuity, differentiation. हर हफ्ता, हर Monday नया topic. हर Monday नया topic. चलते रहता papers. And every Sunday, this 3 hours mains paper will be cumulative. What does this cumulative? समझ गए? Second week, first week, second week syllabus. Third week, first week, second week, third week syllabus. Fourth week, first week, second week, third week, fourth week syllabus, and so on. उनको top ranks पकड़ में नहीं आते. They put lot of effort. I have these question papers with me. If interested, if you want me to put in the group, you answer me in the group. Or हमको नको मैं ग्रुप में डाला बेकार में तुम देख के छोड़ दिए ऐसा नहीं चलता. मैं ग्रुप में डाला तो whole class should respond or whole class should give me responses in the group. Work out the problems and you should show me your working by posting it in the group. Think, decide and tell me. Constant and I don't want to start reduction formula today. ये प्रॉब्लम में भूल गया जी कैसे करके. मैं बोल रहा हूँ रैंक आना, सीट आना, सिलेक्शन आना, either IITs or NITs or if you have enough bank balance bids, ये तीनों कॉलेजेस में रैंक आना, सीट आना बोले तो क्लास में जस्ट सुने तो सीट नहीं आता, नोट्स कॉपी करे तो सीट नहीं आता. If you just attend classes, copy notes, nothing, कुछ भी कहीं पर भी नहीं आता. कुछ आना है, कुछ करना है. There should be tons and quintals of effort from your side. बगैर effort कुछ नहीं होता. Effort माने quality problems. Try spending time, maximum time. Work hard. Then only you will get selections. Look here. ये मैं भूल गया कैसे। What is y? What is dy by dx? बोलो जी। Cot inverse x derivative minus 1 by 1 plus x square by 4 into x by 2 derivative 1 by 2 plus x derivative 1. Correct? LCM is 4. 4 will go to the numerator. These 2 will cancel off. What remains? Minus 4 by. Correct? LCM ले लो. dy by dx. 4 plus x square minus 4. 4 will cancel off. X square by dy is equal to x square by. Am I correct so far? बोलो मैम. Divide numerator and denominator by x square plus 4. X square by denominator. बच्चे लोग am I correct? Any doubts, any queries? I am holding back. Any doubts, any questions? I am holding back. Can I move ahead?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No. What is y minus x? 2 cot inverse x by 2. Am I correct? Y minus x divided by 2. Cot inverse x by 2. What is cot inverse x is equal to? Tan inverse 1 by x. So y minus x by 2 is equal to tan inverse 2 by x. Correct? Two by x is equal to बोलो जी tan of y minus x by 2. ये 2 रहना जी. Two times tan inverse of 2 by x. बच्चों लोग, what is 2 tan inverse x? Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square from inverse trigonometric functions. Am I correct? Respond, man. Am I correct?
Yes,
Take
sir.
the 2 inside. Y minus x is equal to tan inverse of 2 into 2 by x by 1 minus 4 by x square on LCM tan inverse बोलो जी, यहाँ पे LCM x square, यहाँ पे LCM x, 1x will cancel off, x will go to the numerator, 4x by x square minus 4. Am I correct? From this, what is tan of y minus x is equal to 4x by x square minus 4. Draw a right angle triangle. Angle is y minus x. Opposite side 4x. Adjacent side x square minus 4. Bachalo, what is the hypotenuse? Under root of x square minus 4 whole square plus 16x square. Am I correct? I'm waiting for your response. Has this sunk in? You won't find problems of this type in any book. Bachalo, what is x square minus 4 whole square plus 16x square on simplification? क्या था? Under root of x square plus 4 whole square. Square root will give you. अब देखो आंसर आया. अब देखो आंसर आया. Integral. What is x square by x square plus 4? What is x square by x square plus 4 dx dy? Denominator देखो. What is x square minus 4 by x square plus 4? X square minus 4 by x square plus 4. बोलो जी.
Cos of y minus x.
Cos of y minus x into sin x. What is 4x by x square plus 4? 4x by x square plus
Sin of y
4.
minus x.
Sin of y minus x cos x. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a plus b. What does it become? Integral dy by sin y. 1 by sin y cosec y. Cosec y integration. Log mod cosec y minus cot y. फंक्शन ऑफ x को फंक्शन ऑफ y में कन्वर्ट करके इंटीग्रेट करना. ऑप्शन ए का. फिटजी, रेजोनेंस, बंसल वो पेपर में से हटा सकना. And all the Narayana papers, exam grand test papers, they'll always, all those questions, all those papers will be collection of resonance, Bansal, Fitji papers में से choose करे so questions निकाल के question paper में डाल के बनाते. There's a reason why papers will be high quality. 300 marks paper. You know, mains paper 300 mark. Generally in our weekend exam or yesterday's exam, what's the score you generally get? What will be the highest score in the class out of 300?
Around 260 to 270, sir, usually.
No, around 260 to 270. In the grand test paper which you see or which in these grand test papers, Narayana ke top mark will be 70. Top mark will be 70, not one subject combined. बच्चे डर के लिखना बंद कर देते एग्जाम. You should not be demoralized. You should not be demotivated. You should be only under the impression that I am learning. I want to learn. I want to learn more problems. I want to learn more concept. That should be the motto. So please think over. Papers will be quality. If you want, I'll send them in the group. or those who are interested, you ping me one-on-one. But remember, take one thing for granted. It should not be if I post one-on-one, after 3-4 days, you should post solutions to me. If you don't post solution, next time I will not post. Simple. You should show me all the working. Can I close down?
Yes.
I'm closing down. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.